Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Let's read about what the monkeys like to do on the weekend. Milo likes drawing pictures. He usually draws on Saturday mornings. Lola loves swimming. She always goes to the pool with her friends. Kiko enjoys riding his bike. He sometimes plays soccer, too. Emma likes reading books. She never watches TV in bed. Who likes drawing? What does Lola love? How often does Kiko ride his bike? Great reading. Now it's your turn. What do you like doing?
Monkeys talk and unlock. Click, click, tick, tock. Monkeys talk and unlock.